Welcome back to Just Me and My Two Boys. We've got a little challenge here. You ready for a challenge?
I think you can see it.
You ready for a contest? Oh my gosh. You want to grab a thing to grab the dogs? So we've got 9 total Costco dogs. We've got chili, cheese, and onions. We are going to have a contest for these quarter-pound hot dogs. You guys have been to Costco. You know what these dogs are all about. They're very hard to eat. Well, they're not hard to eat, but it's gonna be hard to eat 3 of them. One of them fills me up, honestly, these days. So we're gonna do that. Yeah,
What happened there?
Someone got a half.
Probably grandma.
Let's start with 2. There you go.
I need one more. I need one more.
What?
I need one more.
Oh, I thought I got you 2. You didn't want the half?
No, I don't want the half.
I made him put the other one away.
Yeah.
There you go. All right. So we're gonna prep these suckers. Get them on here.
Well, it's gonna be hard to do a challenge if we don't have the last one out.
I want it hot though. I don't want it. The last one you have to make and eat. That's just what it is.
Okay.
Just what it is. Oh, yeah, because it will get cold. I don't want to eat it cold.
We're gonna be like
Thanks.
trying to
Look at that sucker.
first.
That is. The buttons are a bit too small. Why is it all white? They got foamy, and I boiled them. I don't know why, but they did. I'm a little congested. Look, got a little cold going. Okay, Craig. Yeah, start putting the goods on. Usually we grill these. In fact, yesterday we grilled a bunch of them, and for the 4th, happy 4th of July.
Late for the July.
It's 5th of July. Happy 4th of July yesterday. Celebrated. It was fun. I think I'm gonna put the cheese on first, and then the chili.
And then after, you put more cheese on.
Mm-hmm. Don't want to tease. Okay. Oh yeah, guys. Do you like chili dogs? We love chili dogs. We are fans of the chili dog. This is the thick Nally's chili. Oh yeah. I'm putting onions on mine because I like me some onions. Craigie doesn't.
Well, actually, I haven't tried it, so.
Oh, and these are so sweet. Sweet Walla Walla onions, baby. And I'm gonna put a little bit more cheese because
It's gonna be a messy challenge.
This is gonna be this is gonna get messy. It's already getting messy. Oh man, the other day we had cheese and I put it on beans, like refried beans. I was gonna make some refried beans with cheese on top. And little did I know that the bag had gone bad. The cheese had gone bad. And I took a bite. It was so gross. It was like moldy grossness. Oh, so nasty.
And we just got this
Are you in the
idea-
film? Are you on there, you think?
Yeah, I am.
Okay.
Oh,
and of course we have a liter of pop.
yeah. We got this idea from this morning because I slept over at our cousin's house, and my cousin said we should do a hot dog challenge.
Yeah.
Or a corn dog
We've
challenge.
had comments saying that we.
Yeah. I mean, this isn't your typical small
dog.
hot dog challenge, though, because I could eat
Oh
like,
gosh,
probably 50 of those.
soggy.
But this is going to
We
be
should hurry this
hard
up. It's getting
because-
soggy.
Yeah. Okay, and you gotta drink all your pop,
All right.
which is a liter of pop. Ready, set, go. Don't choke on your dog.
Mm-hmm.
No choking on wieners.
Wow.
What? Oh, you guys are bad.
Censorship.
This wiener. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, this is yummy.
Holy crap, Dad, breathe.
I'm trying. Look at him.
Craig's freaking manhandling that hot dog. Ugh.
Craig doesn't have a handful of hot dogs.
falling apart. Those onions make it more difficult.
True. We're not talking much, but you can hear him humming.
Oh my gosh. It's falling apart.
He got 7-Up. He got Sprite. I got that Dr. Pepper. That dog hit the back of my throat. I put it really too far in. So it was sticking out like this, and I went, and went. Stop it. PG-13 rated here. PG, I mean. You got one down. Great feeding. Would you stop it?
Open your butt, go.
This is very difficult. Fred, stop it! No deal that.
That's why we tried to do 4.
We were going to do 4, but then we were like,
No.
No way.
He was like,
And he has a baseball game today, so that would not have been good. Oh. Oh my goodness. I'm filling up fast.
How do you have a clean hand?
That's my left hand. Come on. All with my left hand.
What did you do?
I scooted it to the end.
Why do you keep doing it? It's taking long.
Speaking of long, these sausages, man.
Sausages? You mean hot dogs?
I'm grabbing it. It's taking too long. Penalty. 5 seconds.
Pour it.
Gosh. Now I had to open it for you. Cheater, Dad. Cheater!
Why am I cheating? How you doing over there?
I'm doing pretty good, actually. Oh, tired jaw.
You?
You see what I'm doing?
Whoa! Stop the ridiculousness. Bye, Riley.
Bye.
Have fun at work.
Thank you. Are these your keys?
You have to stick the key in really far.
Which one is it?
That one.
What?
I'm full.
Oh, I still want too much.
And you still have to drink a liter of pop.
Mm-hmm. Ooh, I got floated. That's gross.
Messy.
Why?
Floaties.
Oh, yeah. Ow. I'm smacking all in.
You didn't even open mine.
You got 2 down? What's up? Make sure to like and subscribe. We got more stuff coming soon. We're trying to get that 1,000 subscribers mark. We're almost at 700.
Oh, that burns. Oh, that really burned.
You had to add the pop.
What?
You had to add the pop.
Mm-hmm. Where might get you? Maybe not.
I'm so trying to get my dirt hot dog.
And there's Matthew. We're tied.
Yeah, we are.
It hurts.
It really does hurt.
Oh.
Gosh dang it, Dad.
What was that?
Oh, bassy burps, baby. Yeah. I can't believe the hot dogs aren't stopping me.
Are you crying yet?
You are.
This is horrible.
Diet's always burpy, like way burpy more. Way burpy more? Way more burpy. You touched your hat, gross. Good job. Oh, I'm getting too full. It's all coming up now.
It is on my hat.
Look about get out.
This is definitely not the no burp challenge. This is a burp challenge all of a sudden. We're still waiting for him to add his burpees.
I'm finishing my hot dog.
Oh man, I can't. This is crazy. I don't think I've burped this much in any of our videos.
Thank God, dude. Please stop him.
I'm gonna puke.
What are you doing over there?
If I had a
Stop
bucket,
it!
if I had a bucket, I could puke right now.
Same.
How much do you have left? Holy crap! This was the catch. This was the hard part.
Oh my gosh. Are you gonna puke?
I don't know.
That's done. He put his down first.
Oh. Go puke. Did you really finish yours too?
Yeah. You set yours down first, though.
Oh. Good job, Craig. I call that a tie. Seriously. I won the burp contest on B so far. Not in there.
Get closer. It's coming out of his nose.
How dare you, Dad?
It's probably best that you just puke it all up. Oh, girl! He's got the whole...
You can grab it.
Oh, he's got the whole snot thing going on. Look at my plate. Almost perfectly clean. Look at his. Dear dame.
I finished all 3?
Good job, man.
I was trying to. A lot.
What?
I was really pushing at the end.
Oh, my eyes are watering so bad.
Beans all over me.
Yeah. Like a hat. Oh.
Gross.
Well, we got a puker today. You got to hear it, not see it, which is probably good. Because he had snot coming out of his nose and everything. And he pooped his pants.
Watch out.
No, I did not.
Wouldn't that be horrible? You're puking and all of a sudden,
Oh, gross!
boom! Oh my gosh. How long did that take? That was pretty fast.
I have no clue.
Okay. Oh, I feel so disgusting.
That's my spot, Ruger.
You probably feel way better than me right now.
Yeah.
And
hurt
great,
so
the,
much.
The sink is clogged.
You're gonna have to unclog the sink, dude. Oh my god. Oh, my stomach. Oh, it feels like it's gonna blow up.
You won.
I don't know, dude. What do you guys think?
We tied it finished, but I puked. You kept it down, so you won.
That is true. I'll claim it this time, just because of that.
Yeah.
Oh, barely though, man.
I thought it was like a
I
personal
wanted to
best for me.
puke. You guys got a lot of burps out of me today. Well, sorry for those that don't like burps, and congratulations to you that like burps. Congratulations. I don't know if congratulations.
You're welcome.
Congratulations, you have won
A burp.
a bunch of burps you get to listen to and watch. Hi, buddy. You want a little piece?
You get to listen to it while you sleep
Don't
tonight.
bite my fingers. Oh, he loves that. He loves the beans.
I did my best for those hot dogs, but I don't know how you
my
guys
gosh.
do this, how fizzy this is.
Oh, wow. Every burp is a close to throw
I don't know how you
My
didn't
beans.
throw up. There was so much pain in that last bit. I was like, there's no way I'm keeping this down.
I know, I saw you really struggling, and I knew that was my chance. Oh my gosh.
Scoot down.
Oh.
No, not that.
Oh. All right, guys. Well, let's add a couple burps from Matthew, and then we'll be done.
I don't know if I can. I ate so much hot dog.
I have never eaten more than one Costco dog ever in my life. Like, why would you? They're big. They're a quarter pound per dog, plus the chili, plus the cheese, plus the onion.
Hot dog came up.
And the bread. That's a lot. That was a lot.
Liter soda.
And he pushes me. So I see him chewing, swallowing like a madman, and then I have to do that to keep up. Oh. Congratulations to the hot dog contest winner of this year. That went on, and it was like 60-something.
Oh my god.
I think. Wasn't it? I'd have to Google it.
I don't know.
But oh my gosh. Those guys are nuts. Hats off to you guys.
Don't touch your hat.
No, I did not. This is my Father's Day hat. They got it for me.
Yep.
And I love it. It's my favorite hat. No, please do not.
I wash my hands.
I don't want you to touch my
I was
hand.
gonna pat your head.
Who wants their head patted besides Ruger?
You do. You know you
All right, let's finish this thing up. You done puking?
Yeah, I'm good.
Do you want to drink some Sprite for once here?
Oh, I tried, man. It's so fizzy.
Okay, drink as much as you can real quick. Pound, pound, pound.
I tried that, and it, to begin with,
I know.
and it freaking hurt.
Try now. Before we send off.
I want to hurt.
Do it real quick.
It burns my throat.
Open the hatch. Oh, without his nose.
No, I just.
Oh, it just.
Bro, it hurts
You're
my
dripping.
throat. Oh no.
That's all.
That's why they want us to do a Sprite no burp challenge. Because it's
so
hard. It's probably
fizzy.
hard. But man, I tell you what, Dr. Pepper, that was fizzy as heck. Especially diet. I don't know. This diet pop stuff is not as good.
I have to be at a field in an hour.
Oh, dude, you should probably go visit the
Yeah,
toilet.
you should go now.
Guess what, guys? I'm
Craig, stop shaking.
gonna be on the toilet later on. Just so, I know you wanted to know that. Wow, we finished off the chili. That was
I did.
2 cans of chili right there.
3, you mean?
We didn't put all 3.
Oh.
Ruger, you stop eating off the table. But you're cute. Oh, listen to the story. Ruger last night,
Oh.
we were all inside, and my wife had just put him inside, and he can get outside by himself. And he comes running around, and there's a glass pane door, and there's a
net. Like
a net that can open and close, and he didn't see that the door was closed, and we were in the other room, and all of a sudden we heard this dong.
So mom opens the door.
So we run and get him, and he's over and over for like 5 minutes. It was so sad. Poor Ruger hit face. Come here, up. Yeah, you say hi to them. Say hi.
He's going for the food.
Say my nose is bruised today. Oh. All right, guys. I think that was a good video. Good video. Hey, give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment. Tell us what you want us to do because we're always running out of ideas. And also subscribe because really we want to get it to 1,000, and we're like so close.
What are we at now? 700? Close.
We're like 2 away from 700, I think. Yeah. Anyway, go ahead. We love y'all. Turn that thing off.